Okay guys, this is a 3.8 liter Chrysler Town Country V6. I'm getting a code for the EGR valve. The EGR valve is just right here. There's two 10mm bolts, one right there and then one down below if you can see that. And then you got that disconnected there. I like to just remove this 13mm bolt right here, and then these two 8mm bolts. So this bottom bolt down here, this one right here, it's kind of hard to get to. I just bend this part down a bit and then use an extension and a wobbly, and it does it as good as I can. So after we remove that bolt and these two, just gonna click that one out. And if it flies away, just grab it and then pull this out. And obviously I'm gonna do all with the battery terminal disconnected. Okay, now we're gonna remove this top screw and bolt. I have a 10mm right here. So there's that one. Now we're gonna do the other one. Okay, here's the other one. Okay, so I got that one off. Now we're just gonna pull this whole thing out. And there's two 8mm bolts right here that we can remove to get this whole thing off the vehicle.